Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you garden decoration ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, a garden is more than just plant and flower. It is a place to relax, enjoy nature and create happy memories with family and friends. One of the easy way to decorate our garden is by using colorful flower or choosing different sizes and arrange them at different height to create an eye-catching display. Bright flower bring color, life and freshness to every corner. Nature stone pathway are another wonderful ideas. A simple pathway made with stone pebbles at will guiding thought the garden and create a peaceful and organized modern bench or perfect for creating a cozy sitting area. Place a bench under a tree or beside blooming flower to create a unique place where you can relax, read and books or enjoy your morning coffee and friends. Hanging basket filled with colorful flowers can also make your garden feel magical. Hang them from fence or porch railing to add beautiful beauty at different slab. A garden lantern and solar light create a warm atmosphere. Often sunsets of lighting highlighting your favorite plant and making evening walk even more enjoyable. And friends, my niche area is viewers. Friends, birds feeder and bird bath invite beautiful birds into your garden. Watching birds visit your outdoor space brings life, movement and peaceful sound. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and